Well, you know I had to come and get it, right? Welcome to Nobel School, located in the beautiful dunes of Gary, Indiana, by Lake Michigan in northwest Indiana. And if you follow the page, you know what I do. I document things that I think should be documented, and I lately have been tracking the progress of all these buildings being torn down at a really fast pace. We're at Nobel. My compadre, Joe Henderson, they had a little get together, and you see this in the background. Somebody actually asked about buying those. I thought it was pretty funny. But Don Tiva from Lost of Time, he came out here and he covered it. I will put that link to that video under this one, but make sure you go check that out because it had the officials out here and people, and they were talking about demoing it, and it was the first day was yesterday. So today I'm out here and gonna show you guys what it looks like. And they first took a couple of hits off it here. The bulldozer was out here and they took a couple ceremonial cracks at it, and it looks like they got a little bit knocked out. Huh? For this school? Yeah, it's time to go though. It looked too bad. It was time to go. Yeah. Do you ever watch YouTube? Do you watch YouTube?
Always look, but I didn't know that it was.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. That's why I asked.
Yeah, I always watch YouTube, but I didn't know that. I have to see.
I think I have a bracelet. Yeah, I document Gary. I was born and raised out here.
Yeah.
Franklin, Lou Wallace, my grandma, and all my uncles and all them.
Well, my sister ran Roosevelt Martin van.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put. I'm filming actually, so I don't want to put you on film.
Oh.
That's my channel called the Steel City Storm. Go look. I've been doing it for like about a little over 6 years.
Yeah.
About 1,600 videos. I got the demolition of Lou Wallace,
Yeah.
and that's where I went to
Frable?
school. Yeah, Frable. Yeah, we've been out. We have a video of Frable. We walked the ground to look out there.
Yeah.
Fred the Hammer.
Yeah.
Williamson from Frable School.
Okay, well, I was gonna look at this, but
All right. Well, it was nice meeting you. And yeah, it's.
but my daughter is 50, and she knows that roller coaster. But my relative ran Roosevelt Martin van, Sandra Dillon, and Ronnie Hill.
Well, I've done pretty much all stuff. Go look at the channel. You'll be surprised. Put anything you want. Roosevelt School, West Side, anything you think of. I've been there and done that. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Stay blessed. All right. There we go. Demolition's begun, and here's where they're knocking it out. There it goes. That place is a crap hole. This is a really bad. Look how. Ugh. There it is. Starting to tear it down. Well, they got a lot. They got a lot knocked down. Look at that. And of course, if you've watched the other videos, I've had probably, I don't know, at least 8 videos on this school, different sections, walking around the playground. The whole back wall is missing over here. Since I want to capture the first day of, or the second day of tearing down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the footwork. Get out here and walk it real quick before I'm not able to do that anymore. And we all can have one last look. Wow. Look at the whole back of it's always been missing. How's that for a pic? There you go. I can actually just walk right through the doors right there and go out the other side. But there it is. Nobel Elementary School, located in the beautiful dunes of Miller, Gary, Indiana. I have two cousins, younger cousins. They both went to the school. Shout out to Adrian and Mary Paris. If you know them, you know. If you went to school, you might know them. Adrian and Mary Paris. Their mom is my Aunt Susan, who was my mom's sister. So, anyway, here it is, Nobel School. The demolition has begun. And I wanted to make sure I got out here and get it in, you know what I mean? Well, Storm's got to be on it now. I'm not a great filmmaker or any of that stuff. I never claimed to be, but I do pride myself on getting stuff in Northwest Indiana that I think other people would be interested in, because I am. Demolition of these old buildings and old schools, you know, I think there's some importance in that. Hope you've enjoyed. I'm gonna throw on some tunes now, and call that to that. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, come on now. Quit playing with that damn subscribe button and hit it. Love to have you here. See you next video.